Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to connect Ubisoft account to Twitch. So open your Twitch and click on your profile, settings, connections, scroll down and you'll find this Ubisoft option. So all you have to need, just click on connect, get started, log in with Twitch, authorize, I accept cookies, and enter here your Ubisoft account email address and password and click on login and your Ubisoft will be connected with your Twitch. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.